Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I have for you guys. So today we are at Karura forest with Vivian, and she's also a YouTuber. You guys can go subscribe to her YouTube channel. I'll leave the link in the description box below. So it's actually, I don't know how to switch this, but you guys can just see how beautiful Karura forest is. It's quiet.
Yeah, it's quiet.
Tired, Shirlyne.
I am tired.
You're tired. Guys, you can see she has a stick.
I'm very tired, eh? If you can't